Hello, this is Todd with Lemmel Homes discussing our Astor Street infill project down on Milwaukee's historic east side. Let's take a look at how the foundation hole was dug and the lagging wall system that was installed. With months of planning, this is one of the critical components to this project that has stressed me out over the weeks. Now that we have the steel pylons in and we are starting to dig the foundation, let's talk about what goes in between the steel pylons. We will be installing lagging. Lagging is, simply put, a big board that goes between the two steel beams, holding the soils back behind them. Installing this lagging to protect the properties on either side and protect our guys who will be working in the hole. During the excavation and lagging process, we had things set up to start our excavation at the rear of the property, so our dump trucks could utilize the lot to get as close to the excavator and fill up and get out in a timely fashion. This kept the project moving along quickly and the dump trucks rotating through their cycle as fast as possible. As the excavator was digging up close to the steel beams, the lagging crew would come along and clean out behind the flanges so they could slide their big boards in as quickly as possible. We kept the excavator and the lagging crews as close together so we did not have exposed excavation areas open for long periods of time. This was for safety and, again, to protect the neighboring properties. As we got closer to the existing buildings on either side, we backfilled with slurry. This was delivered by our concrete subcontractor and installed by the lagging contractor. At the end of the day, many hands were involved in this project throughout this week. To pull off the excavation and wall lagging process like we did, there was many general logistic items that had to be taken into consideration, such as concrete trucks coming into our site, lumber delivery trucks parked out on the road, steel delivery trucks trying to find a place to park, excavation equipment being delivered and trying to squeeze onto our tiny site, and dump trucks backing in and out of our site throughout the week. With seamless communication with our subcontractors, we were able to accomplish this in 1 week, and at the end of the day, the bottom line, we saved our homeowner money. As you can see, the excavation and wall lagging process was a success. It was a nail biter for a bit, but due to perfect planning, we pulled it off with all of our subs' cooperation, seamless communication, and a lot of hard work. We are now ready for the finished excavation and footing layout stage of the game. And now that we're done going down, I'm super excited to start bringing this project up and out of the ground.